Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix MOS the Forgotten Relic game. Not launching or not opening, crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, black screen, lagging, low FPS or several other issues on Xbox. So let's find the solutions. The very first method is to restart the game. First select your game from home screen, now press menu button on controller, then select quit. Finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next solution is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next method is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cache data. For that, open settings, choose device and connections. Click on Blu-ray, select persistent storage. Select clear persistent storage. Next method is to clear Xbox cache. For that, open settings, click on system, click on storage. Then highlight storage device and press Y button on controller for device options. Under it, choose clear system cache. At last, confirm it by pressing yes. Next is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, select settings, choose network settings, test network connection, wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. Next method is to check for MOS, the Forgotten Relic update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often release patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check for update option, and once the game is updated, launch it and check. Next solution is to check for Xbox updates. Make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First, open settings on your Xbox, select system and then select updates. Here, check if any update is available and click on it to begin the updating process. Next method is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next, go to account, click on remove accounts. Here, choose the account to remove, select remove option. After that, add the account again and then launch the game and check. Next method is to check storage. For that, press Xbox button, go to profile and system, go to settings, click on system, click on storage. Here, check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused tabs or games to create space. Next is to reinstall MOS the Forgotten Relic game. For that, press Xbox button, controller, move to my games and apps, select See All option. Here, select MOS the Forgotten Relic, press menu button, select uninstall. After the game is removed, open MOS the Forgotten Relic official website and download the game. After that, try to launch it and check. Next is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for in this video. Thank you.